Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 15 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here we have to scroll down to this backup, reset and restore section and tap on backup to Google Drive. Let's tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and of course if you've got your Google account added to the device you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just mark the options, tap on them, learn, and tap on I agree after reading. And here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, or both, of course. It's up to you. Just mark the option you'd like to backup and tap on confirm and tap on manage backup. And here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files right here. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and now your device is backing up the data. Of course, you will have to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.